Hello everyone, a very good morning. And friends, I'm out for strawberry picking. I'm going for strawberry picking, and it's a first time experience that I'll be having of picking strawberries direct from the farm, and therefore I'm going to hand off. So basically, Handroff is a small town in South Australia, and it is settled by the Lutheran migrants in 19th century, and it is basically known for its original German style architecture. Basically, around about 50 to 60 German families migrated to South Australia, and they built a small colony of houses just to settle a German style architecture over there. And towards north of this town are the Shadars houses, the studios, and art of German born landscape, which is by the painter Sir Hans Hysen. Basically, it offers you with the vineyards also, and I'm going there to do strawberry picking also and to have a lunch buffet at the Old Mill Hotel, which is one of the known hotels over there, and I have heard about their food also. So right now I have reached to the strawberry farm. This farm is known as Beerenberg Farm, and they have been running pickings at their farm since 1975. Basket that we gave, in which we have to collect the strawberries. So the entry to this farm is $4 per person, and it depends on you how much strawberries you want to take home, and each person can taste up to 3 to 4 strawberries. And later on they'll calculate the weight of the strawberries that you have collected, and you have to pay accordingly. So as you can see, people are gathering their own juicy red strawberries. Also, the person on the cash counter suggested to pick the ones those are more darker in color, like in darkish reddish color. You should pick those ones. The bigger, the juicier. So I am already short of breath because it's on the hill where we have come, and you can go on the top. As you can see, the people over there on the top are getting more strawberries because at the ground level the strawberries aren't that great, and this is how the strawberries are planted, like in the rows. And let me show you a few. So people have actually plucked from here, so there are no strawberries left. And since the weather today is very nice, so and it's a weekend, so many people have come early in the morning. So I think I have to go where that auntie is standing, and I need to gather my strawberries from there. So let's walk up to there. So right now all that farm was empty, and I couldn't find juicy reddish strawberries from there, so I came up to this hill, and yay, I got these many strawberries, and I tasted 2 or 3, and they are very juicy. So the person over there suggested to take this kind of strawberry. I'm just telling you for your knowledge. The more maroonish color it has, more juicy it will be. So this one also looks good, so I can take this and just put it in my basket. Lunchtime, so I've come to this Old Mill Hotel, and nice cozy place. So I'm out from the buffet and I'm done filling my tummy, and I am now wandering on the streets of Hendrov, just settling my tummy, just settling the food that I just had, and I binged on food like anything. It was very, very yummy. Also, now I'm going back and I will let you enjoy the scenic beauty of South Australia. So signing off. So I really feel and I really hope that you will like this little very small blog, just sharing an experience of my one of the days in Australia and how I felt doing the strawberry picking, though I loved every bit of it because it was for the very first time that I saw such fruitful farm where there were loads of strawberries. And I'm basically a gardening kind of a person. I love to grow veggie garden, and right now also I have grown coriander, tomatoes, spring onions, lettuce, spinach at my home in the veggie pots. And if you like to see any one of those, and or you want to ask how did I grow and how am I maintaining them, you are free to write down in the comment section. So I really hope that you will like my vlog or my experience, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye bye.